In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam game icons are missing. Now the way that we can do this is, if you can see here, I have Terraria. Now the way that I can fix this is by going into the library right here, right click on Terraria, go to Properties, Installed Files, and verify integrity of game files. Now when you do this, you want to wait for this to verify real quick, and I'll just let it do that and then I'll be back. Okay, now once it is done verifying, what you can do is come over to your desktop real quick, find your Steam folder, so open up your PC and find your Steam folder. Usually it's under your main drive and then under program files, but I have mine installed right here. Open up Steam, go to Steam Apps, come in Common, find your Steam game, and then what you want to do is click up here, copy this, Control C. Then what you want to do is right click on the file, Properties, change icon, paste, press OK, press Browse, come in here and select the application. Press OK and OK. Press Apply and then OK. And as you can see, it is now fixed. So you can do that with all the games that you want. Unfortunately, there's not a faster way that you can do it as of right now, but this works. So that's how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.